Welcome, engineers. Today we're examining the Watt Converter Interactive Calculator, a comprehensive tool that solves the fundamental challenge of electrical parameter conversion. Whether you're designing circuits, troubleshooting systems, or validating component specifications, this calculator handles all permutations of Ohm's law and power calculations in one interface. Let's explore the inputs. First, you'll see the Select Conversion Mode dropdown. This offers 6 calculation options. Calculate power from voltage and current, calculate voltage from power and current, calculate current from power and voltage, calculate power from voltage and resistance, calculate power from current and resistance, and calculate resistance from power and voltage. Below this, you'll find 4 input fields: voltage in volts, current in amperes, power in watts, and resistance in ohms. The calculator automatically enables only the relevant fields based on your selected conversion mode. For our demonstration, let's select Calculate Power from Voltage and Current. Imagine you're sizing a power supply for an industrial control panel. You've measured 24 volts across your load and 2.5 amperes of current draw. Enter 24 in the voltage field, then 2.5 in the current field. Click Calculate. The results immediately show power equals 60 watts. The calculator also computes the derived resistance value of 9.6 ohms, giving you complete circuit parameters from just 2 measurements. Your output values represent the 4 fundamental electrical quantities. Power indicates energy consumption rate, critical for thermal management and component selection. Voltage, current, and resistance complete your circuit analysis toolkit. Here's a crucial insight. Always verify your units before calculating. Mixing milliamps with amps or kilowatts with watts leads to order of magnitude errors that can damage equipment. Find the link in the description below.